Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit log in QuickBooks Online. This feature is essential for tracking every change made in your account, helping you maintain accuracy and accountability across your financial data. First, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks Online as an admin user. Admin access is required because the audit log contains sensitive information about all user activities and changes within your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens up your account's configuration options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate the Tools section and click on Audit Log. This is your gateway to viewing a comprehensive history of actions taken within your QuickBooks account. The audit log automatically tracks changes to transactions, user sign-ins, and other important events, making it an invaluable tool for monitoring your business finances. Now that you're in the audit log, you'll see several filter options at the top of the page. Start with the user filter dropdown, click on it to select a specific user whose actions you want to review, or simply leave it set to all users if you want a complete overview of everyone's activity. Next, use the date filter to set the date range for the entries you want to see. This helps you narrow down your search to specific time periods when you suspect changes were made or simply want to review recent activity. The events filter is particularly useful for focusing on specific types of actions. Click on it to narrow down the types of activities recorded, such as edits to existing transactions, user sign-ins, or new transaction entries. This filtering capability saves you time when you're investigating particular issues. Once your filters are set, review the audit log list displayed on your screen. QuickBooks shows up to 150 records per page, so you'll have plenty of information to work with. In the list, locate the History column and click View next to any transaction or event you want to examine more closely. This opens a detailed audit history window where you can see exactly who made the change, what was changed, and when the change occurred. This level of detail is crucial for maintaining accurate records and investigating any discrepancies. If you need to see older entries beyond the current page, click the next link at the bottom right of the audit log list. This allows you to scroll through your complete audit history. You can also customize which columns appear in your audit log by clicking the Settings button at the top right of the list. Here, you can check or uncheck columns to display only the information that's most relevant to your needs. The audit log is your best tool for tracking user activity, investigating changes for accuracy or fraud prevention, and maintaining accountability throughout your QuickBooks data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.